Hi all, now we're going to see CBSE Class 10 chapter number 4 quadratic equation exercise 4.1 Roman letter 1 question number 6. Okay, we need to check the given equation are quadratic or not. Okay, in left side already it is expanded, nothing to simplify that, only we need to work out in the right side. It is in the form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. What is the formula for a minus b the whole square? A minus b the whole square equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, so now I am going to expand the right side like that. Left side is as usual, we need to write, nothing to change in left side. Right side, a square means x squared, b square means plus 2 square minus 2 into a into b. Okay, so what answer we get now? X squared plus 3x x squared, sorry, wait a second, x squared plus 3x plus 1 equal to x squared plus 4 minus 4x we get. Now we need to bring the right side to left side. So x squared plus 3x plus 1 minus x squared minus 4 plus 4x equal to 0. Okay, now we need to simplify, we need to cancel the x square terms and x terms. Whatever cancel here, we need to cancel that. Now here 1x squared minus x squared, so this will be cancelled. Okay, next we have 3x plus 4x, it is 7x. Next plus 1 minus 4 we get minus 3 equal to 0. So it is not in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So 7x minus 3 is not a quadratic equation. So our question number 6 is not a quadratic equation. Thank you.